Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do lesson number 94. So we'll start with number 1. Draw a line through this shape to make one triangle and one rectangle. So where would you put the line? Let's go ahead and make your line. Okay. The angle at the top is the only one that's going to be the triangle. So I'm going to draw my line right there. So then I'll have a triangle here. And a rectangle here. And I only had to draw one line. Number 2 and 3. How many people in the class have green eyes? So we have to read the tally marks. So we go here to green and we have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 people have green eyes. How many more people have brown eyes than blue eyes? And when we are counting how many more, we are comparing. So we are not counting the ones that have partners. So we are comparing brown and blue. So if there's 5 here and 5 here, they don't count because they have partners. So I'm going to X them out. Now there's 1 here, but there's 5 here. So this one's not going to count. And we have to take away one of these, which would be the slanted one. So we would have 4 left. So 4 more people have brown eyes than blue. Number 4, start at 12, count back 2. 12, count back 2 and make 2 dots to help us count. 12, 11, 10. Write the difference. So the answer to the subtraction problem is 10, and that's called the difference. Number 5, which has 1/4 shaded? So 1/4 means 1 out of, and the quarter means 4 parts. So which one has 1 part out of 4 shaded? And that is this circle. It has 1 part out of 4 equal parts. This has 1 part out of 2, and this one has 1 out of 3. Number 6, circle the clock that shows 8:30. So we know since it says 30 that it has to be pointing to the 6. So it can't be this one. And then we have to look at the hour hand, the 8. So it has to be just past 8. Well, this one is in between 2 and 3, and this one is between 8 and 9. So it's just past 8. So this one is 8:30. Okay, on the next page, number 7 and 8. Use the hundreds chart to help you add. Start at 35. Count on 4. Circle the answer, then write it in the blank. So here's our hundreds chart. 35 is highlighted for us. We're going to count on 4. So if we're counting on, we're going towards bigger numbers. If we're counting back, we go towards smaller ones. So this is saying count on. So we don't count until we make our first jump, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it says circle the answer, 39, and then write it on the blank. So 35 plus 4 equals 39. Number 9. I have 6 10s and 3 1s. What number am I? So 6 10s and 3 1s is 63. Number 10. Trace the dotted line to make 2 shapes. What are the shapes? So I trace that. And what is each one of these shapes? Are they circles, triangles, or squares? Number 11. Write the correct sign. Greater than, less than, or equal to. 72 is blank 72. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to? When the numbers are both the same, they are equal to. 72 is equal to 72. Number 12, how many squares tall is the door? So again, I'm going to put a dot on them as I count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 squares tall. And that is the end of today's lesson. See you next time.